How Nokia lost everything. The fall of a giant. In the early 2000s, one company seemed impossible to beat: Nokia. If you owned a mobile phone, chances were it was made by Nokia. The company controlled more than a third of the global mobile phone market. Its phones were everywhere, reliable, affordable, nearly indestructible. For millions of people, Nokia wasn't just a brand, it was the phone. But within a few years, the world's biggest phone company was fighting for survival. So what happened? The answer wasn't a lack of technology. It was a series of decisions that changed the future of the smartphone industry forever. For years, Nokia focused on making better versions of the phones people already loved. Long battery life, strong build quality, physical keyboards. The strategy worked. Sales reached record highs and profits continued to grow. Then, in 2007, everything changed. Apple introduced the first iPhone. It wasn't the first smartphone, but it completely changed what people expected from one: a large touchscreen, a modern operating system, an experience built around apps. Many of Nokia's executives believed the iPhone would remain a niche product. They thought customers still wanted keyboards and durable hardware. While Apple improved the iPhone year after year, Google launched Android, giving manufacturers around the world a powerful smartphone platform. Samsung moved quickly. Other companies followed. The smartphone revolution accelerated. Nokia struggled to respond. Its software felt outdated. New products arrived too slowly. Internal disagreements made innovation even harder. As competitors gained momentum, Nokia's market share began to collapse. Customers who had trusted Nokia for years switched to devices with better apps and smoother experiences. In 2011, Nokia partnered with Microsoft and adopted Windows Phone as its primary operating system. It was a bold gamble, but Android and iPhone had already built enormous ecosystems. Developers focused on those platforms. Consumers did too. Windows Phone never gained enough momentum. Just 2 years later, Microsoft agreed to buy Nokia's mobile phone business. For a company that had once dominated the industry, it marked the end of an era. Nokia didn't disappear completely. Today, it still operates in telecommunications and network infrastructure, but the mobile phone empire that once ruled the world is gone. Nokia didn't fail because it couldn't build great phones. It failed because the industry changed faster than the company was willing to. History has shown that leadership can disappear surprisingly quickly. No matter how successful a company becomes, standing still is often the biggest risk of all. The businesses that survive are the ones that recognize change before everyone else. Sometimes being first isn't enough. You also have to keep evolving. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Empire Explained Doc for more stories about the companies that changed the world and the mistakes that changed them forever. Thanks for watching.